shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kemmerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper for November 4th, 2019. So we're going to start with the SPY, which has been riding the 4 train. Yep, all the way up. Today we're going to be bullish above 308. That's the next level just above us. And for a possible retracement, if it does start to head down and fill in the overnight gap, those are the trades that I am looking at if we do reverse. Momentum is very strong though. So bullish above 308, bearish below 307. Let's go to the E-minis. We're going to be bullish above 3081. And we are headed up in that direction right now. Bearish below 3070 for retracement to the pivot. We'll head on to the Russell IWM. We are going to be bullish above 159.62 and bearish below 158.50. And by the way, if you're wondering what CR means, next to my targets, that's Camarilla resistance, and if we see CS, that's Camarilla support. I use the Pivot Boss Camarilla pivots. Those are not the ones that come with Thinkorswim, by the way. All right, let's go to the QQQs. We're going to be bullish above 220, and we're going to be bearish below 199.50. NASDAQ futures, bullish above 82.25 and bearish below 81.85. We'll go to the Russell futures. We're going to be bullish above 27.406. That's a teeny, just above the 27.400 level. And we're going to be bearish below 27.325. Let's go to the oil futures and check those guys out. All right, so we're going to be bullish above 57.06. Let me just kind of make this a little bit bigger. All right, so if you're having an echo, Robert, it means you might be logged in twice. Sorry, in the Java Pit trading room, okay? Or if you're in the training pit, that's usually when you get an echo. So I'm going to be bullish above 57.06. That is our one level. All right, right there. So that's how I got that level. And I'm going to be bearish below 56.75 if we do break below there. We did have a very high volume bar that just came in recently. 56.67 is the low. So yeah, if we do go below that in particularly, yep, that's going to be uber bearish. Let's go to the gold futures. Gold futures, we're going to be bullish above 15. Oops, that's not the gold futures. Oh, let's go to the, oh, come on. All right, here we go. Bullish above 15.15 area. And wow, we just got a really big volume bar as well. Let me just see, high 15.80. So 15.16, I would tweak that just slightly. Yep, levels are great, but whenever you have a bigger volume bar that comes in, that always takes precedent, right? The volume is key. And I will be bearish below 15.10 if we do start to head down there for the gold futures. All right, let's go to the exciting stuff, the individual stocks. I gave you some really great stock picks over the weekend. If you have the Dark Pool Insights, yeah, it's a 20-minute video that I did over the weekend. I do it every weekend, and I mapped out oh boy, a whole bunch of weekly whispers for you guys to trade this week, and they're definitely starting to move. If you don't have that subscription and you want it, you can go to www.thedarkpools.com and sign up there. All right, let's go to McDonald's. We're going to be bullish above 191 for a retracement trade, and that would be back up to this 4 EMA. And we're going to be bearish below 189 for further downward movement. Let's go to UAA. This is going to be Robert's baby, right? Rockstar trader. He's trading this one today. So we're going to be bullish above 1920. And we're going to be bearish below 1825. We started to move down already. So watch this 18 level. Let me just check out the book. There is a guy loaded to buy at 1798. Oh, they took him out. Look at that. Let's see if he comes back on the bid or not. Yeah, old-fashioned refreshing. Let's see if we can... Oh, 18 guy came back. Yeah. So watch that level right now. Yeah, that's going to be really key. If that 1798 guy, Robert. Yep. Yeah, he's buying there. So if he doesn't want to buy anymore, this will move down. But it looks like we just spotted a buyer. All right, love watching that pre-market activity. Tells you a lot. So much. They give you all sorts of clues. All right, AMD, Robert's other baby, who he abandoned. We're going to be bullish above 35.60 and bearish below 34.87. Let's go to USO. Yep, oil. USO definitely having a lift this morning, but you can see there's resistance at 12. I'm bullish above 1202 because we have a Camarilla level there, so I really wanted to break above that. And bearish below 1178. All right, let's go to UNG. Natural gas is hot this morning. Major breakout, gap up trade. This could be considered a trend trade, by the way, after the first 15 minutes. If it's above that 15 EMA, which is this lime green dotted line on my chart, gap and go higher. If it's below it, pop and drop. But use these levels as well. Bullish above 22.40 and bearish below 22 for a move down. All right, so those are going to be key levels. Let's go to the next one, pins. Second day after earnings and a lot of volume this morning. So we're going to be bullish above 2150 for retracement back up to this 4 EMA, and then bearish below 2060 for a further pullback if it does head down. Let's go to Apple. Bullish above 258.25. This morning it's been a beast, and bearish below 257 for a retracement gap fill, possibly. If it does start to head down. It's really good to be prepared in both directions always with your levels. You don't want to have to figure those things out when the market's moving crazy. So I love to map these out really early in the morning when I can check out the best levels. All right, MU, bullish above 49.50 for a gap and go scenario. And this is another great trend trade for you as well. And then bearish below 48.86 for a retracement trade. Let's go to Facebook. Yeah, Facebook looks awesome. We pulled up on this daily chart, pulled back down to the 4 and the 8 EMA and bounced up again. So 195 is a major level just ahead of us. And we are right there. So this is when you want to watch for refreshing on the offer. Yep, you can see he got hit on BATS exchange, right? We have NASDAQ. Here we go. And yeah, wherever he is on the level 2 book, right here, that's the book you want to pull up. So they took him out. You can see NASDAQ. Is he going to come back? Yeah, so yep, he did. See that? He came back with more shares to sell. That's a very small example of refreshing. When they do thousands and thousands and thousands of shares, that's when you know they're selling a boatload, but that was just a couple hundred. As you can see, up there's more. 200, he's back with more. See that? Awesome. Glad I can show you guys. You want to look at major levels. That's the best time to spot that. And by the way, just to go back to UAA, you can see it's still holding that 1798 level. We saw that guy buying earlier. All right, let's go to BAC. Yeah, Bank of America. We've had massive prints on the bank stocks. We're above all the prints. Today we're going to be bullish above 32.20, and we just went above that right now. So that's going to be bullish. 32.27 is our first target. That's a Camarilla resistance level. Just bold that. All right, now let's talk about gold. Gold. Yeah, Camarilla resistance, Karan. That's what it means, CR. Okay, so we're going to talk about gold. IAU. 1450 is such a key level. Well, 1437 are the prints. That was massive 12 million level. We hit 1450. And I talked about this in the insights this weekend. We hit it and pulled back. So... oh, hold on a minute. There we go. We hit it, pulled back. All right. And that's what we're watching right now. If IAU can close above 1450, that would be uber bullish for gold. I'm really watching that carefully. Do not trade this. It's really slow. But if we go down and close below 1412 area in the future, that's going to be uber bearish. So really watching these levels carefully. However... let's pull up the levels on GLD. We're going to be bullish above 142.80. Yep, if we can break above there, and bearish below 142. And GDX 28.25. Yeah, 28.18 is a dark pool level. We've just been unable to break above that. So that's why I just picked a little bit higher. 28.25. We really need to close above that. Then I would turn into an uber gold trader, waiting patiently. Bearish below 27.40. So there you have it. Those are your whispers for November 4th, 2019. Daily dark pool whispers. Thank you so much to my traders in the pit for mapping out so many trades for me this morning. Highly appreciated. And great job, by the way, traders of the week. Go to the boot campers. Yeah, so last week was our first week of boot camp, and they rocked it on Friday. I'm so proud of you guys. You really did. They were trading all by themselves, getting stopped out, letting stocks go to their targets, and really trading with discipline. So really good job. Keep it up. We're going to have a week off in between, and then next week we get back to the second week of boot camp, which will... focus on swing trading, short-term, long-term, yeah, all different kinds of swing trading. And also we'll dive into options. All right, everybody, have a great day. Until next time, happy trading.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.